Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about VIT or ET vision and recurrent transformer neural networks for human activity recognition in videos. Now we are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective of the project is we need to identify the different human active recognition from video by using different deep learning algorithms. Because in general human activity means they have a like in bus day. In bus stations, then sports, then common activities, then suspicious. So they have a n number of kinds of human activities will be there. So here we are collecting the suspicious human activity recognition videos as a input. So with the help of the different classification algorithm, we need to find that what kind of activity like abuse or arrest or shoplifting like that. So we need to identify either it's a road accident like. So suspicious human activity from a videos and research area of image browsing and computer vision. Through the visual surveillance, we need to monitor human activities and public areas such as bus stations, railway, airports, banks, shopping malls, and so on. To prevent theft accidents. So that's why we are going to implement this kind of projects. Then it is very difficult to watch public places continuously, so therefore an intelligent video surveillance is required. uh, then the system is developed the different classification algorithms such as convolutional neural network and VGG-19. Then we compare the both results and estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate. And finally, we can recognize the activities such as abuse, arrest, shoplifting, and so on. So this is the overview of our project. This is the flow of our project. First, we need to take a suspicious video dataset, then input. We need to choose one input video from our dataset. Then the selected video is carried out to pre-processing. So here we need to convert the video into frames, then resize the frame and grayscale conversion for that converted frames. The pre-processed frame is carried out to feature extraction. So with the help of that local binary pattern, so we can identify either what kind of suspicious activity. The feature extracted data or feature extracted frame is carried out to image splitting. Here we can split the whole image into test and train. Train is used for evaluation, just training the model, and test is used for prediction. The splitted image splitted data is carried out to classification model. Here we can implement two different classification, that is a deep learning methods, convolutional neural network and VGG-19. The classified with the help of the classified data, we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate, and finally we can predict what kind of suspicious activity like abuse or road accidents or shoplifting and so on. So this is the flow of our project. Now we are going to see about demo of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. First we need to choose one input video from our dataset. So just I click the run button. Like we need to choose one input video from our dataset. So they have a number of different kind of dataset. Just I choose it once. So just it is for training purpose. read our first it will be converted our input video into frames so these was the images considered as just um, read the original frame and resized the frame, then taking features from local binary pattern and like that. So just it will be running working for all the frames which is converted into our input video. So just this purpose for training, just need to take features from our chosen input video. So just it will be processing until how many frames will be converted like that. So just it will be running the project. Yeah, okay, so this is the frames, this is the input frames and test frames and train frames. This is the result for VGG-19. So we got accuracy 96% and error rate 3%. So this is the result for convolution neural network. Got accuracy 99 and error rate is 0 point something. So the prediction identified suspicious is the abuse. Then it is a comparison graph for our both algorithms like VGG-19 and CNN 2D algorithm. Just I need to choose another video from our data set. Just it is shoplifting regarding that. So same procedure, just it will be convert our video into frames and resize local binary pattern and so on. Here we choose an input video is like shoplifting, so it will be identified suspicious equal to shoplifting and comparison graph. So this is our demo of our project and thank you.